I had a great experience in the College of Engineering and Applied Sciences. I enjoyed all my teachers. It was challenging, but not too challenging. All the events they've pushed me to go to, have really helped me experience, people out there and grow my connections. UW helped me connect to my internship at Global Power Components through the career fair. I wound up talking to my future employer there, and I've now been there for 2.5 years. What I've discovered about myself at UWM is my commitment to working hard. Between being an engineer and being president of the men's club soccer team, I've really committed to kind of that hard work. It's definitely made me realize that I'm passionate about leading and passionate about soccer. It is definitely challenging being a leader in any scenario. You really need to stick to your own morals and you need to stick to your own ideas, and trust in yourself. And I think that is what helped me become a great leader. And then it's ultimately led to my recruitment to Edgewood University in Madison, where I'm getting full tuition assistance. I will be getting my master's in business administration. I'm excited to build on everything I learned at UWM.